Hey guys, I'm Danica Ferrante from mybeautyscraps.com, and today we're going to play with the December paper pumpkin kit. I'm a little late getting to my kit this month. If you saw my last video, I did an unboxing and created a alternative card idea using the kit, but it is my goal to use up this kit before the new one arrives. So if you want to make sure you're going to get the kit for January, you have to sign up by January 10th to get in on January's kit. And speaking of signing up, if you've been thinking about signing up, it is an awesome time to try it now because celebration has started. I have a whole lengthy video all about celebration that you can find if you go back over to my channel. But basically, there's two ways to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin. You can subscribe to Paper Pumpkin on a month-to-month basis, and I do have a link in the description box below where you can do that. But I don't recommend going that route during celebration because you can buy prepaid subscriptions in my online store and earn free celebration items. So if you're already a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you know how awesome it is. I totally recommend buying your whole year in advance. That's what I do every celebration. I buy my whole year subscription, which is I think $214 or $15. And that earns me 4 free celebration items. Not to mention that the price of the 12-month subscription prepaid is already saving you $2 a month, just if you were to subscribe month to month. So it's just the best way to go. But if you just want to give it a try, you can buy a 3-month prepaid subscription and choose 1 free celebration item. Or you can buy a 6-month prepaid subscription and you're saving $1 off your kit every month and choose 2 free celebration items. So the prepaid subscription is totally the way to go during celebration. This is true for current Paper Pumpkin subscribers, new Paper Pumpkin subscribers, or if you've canceled your Paper Pumpkin subscription, you can join again. It's not just for first-time subscribers. It's for everyone, customers, demonstrators, everyone can take advantage of this awesome deal. It's a great time to give Paper Pumpkin a try. So I'll have links in the description box below to my online store where you can find those prepaid subscriptions. And there's also a link in the description box below to contact me with any questions that you have anytime. I have another really exciting announcement before we get crafting. I talked to you guys in a previous video about your thoughts for like a Facebook group where we can share our paper pumpkin ideas with each other. I love seeing what you guys create with your paper pumpkins too, so I thought it would be a really fun idea, and a few of you sounded really excited about it. So I have created the Facebook group, so you can head on over there and check it out. So in the description box below, you'll find a link to my own Facebook page called Stampin' with Beauty Scraps. And there's also a link to join the Facebook group for Paper Pumpkin idea sharing. I think it'll be really, really fun and a fun way for us to communicate more freely in that little Paper Pumpkin community. So definitely head on over there and check it out. I'm lonely in there right now, so come find me. All right, guys, let's get crafting. I have all of my supplies laid out. I already stamped a bunch of butterflies to fussy cut because I used all my die cuts from the kit. I also have a piece of Whisper White cardstock that's 4 inches by 5¼ inches to layer on top of that standard size Berry Burst card base. I'm going to be masking off a section of this Whisper White piece using this Post-it tape so it's sticky from edge to edge. Sorry you can't see in the frame right now, but I'm measuring it on the ruler that's on this Paper Pumpkin grid paper, which I love. So it's 3 inches by 3¼ inches. And I'm just trimming it up to try to make the edges be as straight as possible, but it doesn't really matter that much. I'm just eyeballing it. Now I'm going to start stamping. So I take the leaf image from the stamp set that's included in the kit this month. Guys, I have said it before and I'll say it again a million times. This exclusive stamp set that we get in the Paper Pumpkin kit every month is really my favorite part of Paper Pumpkin because you have this stamp set that you can use over and over and over again. So all I did to create this card was grab a couple pieces of cardstock from my stash and use my ink pads with the stamp set that's included. So I started off stamping that leaf in Sahara sand and I stamped it 5 times. I find that odd numbers are most pleasing to the eye, so I wanted to start off there, and then I'm just kind of filling in, continuing to stamp that same leaf image using lemon lime twist. And I'm stamping some so that they're by themselves. I'm stamping some so that they overlap the Sahara sand. I'm just kind of filling in the gaps. Then we got this really cute little flower image. So I'm making it 2 different colors by just stamping the flower part on my Peekaboo Peach ink pad. And then I'm coloring in the stem using my old olive marker. The Stampin' Write markers have one side that's more like a pen side, a fine tip, and one side that's a brush tip. And the brush tip is great for coloring in images on your stamp. So you can get this great 2-color effect with one stamp. And I'm just kind of stamping those flowers all over the place. I am being a little bit mindful to leave a gap because I do also want to use berry burst for 3 flowers is kind of what I have in my mind. Again, odd numbers. So I'm leaving some spaces so that I can stamp some of those berry burst flowers later on by themselves and some of them next to the Peekaboo Peach. So here you go. I've just plopped one down next to a Peekaboo Peach flower. But this really comes together very quickly. I know I sped up the video so you didn't have to watch me coloring in all these images for too long. But it really was a pretty quick card to make. So now I'm using that marker again. You could, of course, use your old olive ink pad if you have one, but I'm just coloring in that little vine image that we also got in the stamp set just to fill in any little gaps of space I had left. The key when you're masking off an area like this is to make sure you go right to the edges, and that way you're going to get the amazing reveal when you peel that mask off. That's my favorite part. It's like magic. And I put that mask to the side because I'm going to use that again and create a bunch of cards just like this one. We had some awesome sentiments in the stamp set this month too, so I'm using that great big have a great day right in the middle there. And now I'm fussy cutting one of those little butterflies. They're really easy to cut out. I'm not the greatest when it comes to fussy cutting, but those are nice and easy. And I'm just putting one glue dot in the middle so the little wings of the butterfly can still flutter up. And this is a really simple, practically 1-layer card. I mean, you could do this by itself on just a Whisper White card, but I thought I added a little something extra to put it on that Berry Burst card base. It gives it a little bit more of a pop. I really, really love how this card came out. I'm definitely going to make a bunch of these to send as thank yous to my customers who shop with me this month during Celebration and who subscribe to Paper Pumpkin. You've got to get those prepaid subscriptions, guys. It's the best way to go during Celebration. I hope you enjoyed making this card with me today. I had so much fun making it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I still have other bits and pieces left of this kit that I want to use up before January's kit arrives. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.